So today I have a random task. My friend is rebuilding the, well not rebuilding, reconditioning the engine on his Toyota Land Cruiser. It's whatever I'm about to put on screen, a 1HD-FTE, FTT, GTE, HDMI, etc, etc. And this is the swirl flap, well I'm going to go swirl flap plate. I'll leave you a picture of what it's supposed to look like and how dirty his was. And well, what I'm going to do is I've taken all of the swirl flaps off it. There's the vacuum thing that controlled all the swirl flaps. It goes on there, and that had a swirl flap on it. They go in the holes. There's a big long bar. It connects them all together. Vacuum operated swirl flaps. We've removed all the swirl flap gubbins, and now we're left with 6 holes that need to be plugged up, otherwise all the boost will leak out of there. So I have cut off the appropriate sized aluminium round bar, and it's currently sitting in this petri dish type thing full of acetone, so they are nice and clean. I'm going to put one in each hole, and then I'm going to TIG round it to make it airtight, and hopefully that'll work. I'm not the best aluminium welder at all, so we'll see how this goes. Let's tappy tap this into place. I cut them to near the right size. I didn't measure it. I just went with something that looked about right. Right, that's gone in nice. I'm going to come over for a look. Come over, let me withdraw. I will zoom out. So there's the aluminium puck hammered in its hole. I'll just give it a clean up now and TIG round about it. Hopefully TIGging round about it. Okay, this time what I'll do instead is not press pause on the camera instead of starting it. I'll actually just keep it recording, not just think it's on pause and then start fucking pressing recording. Anyway, hero. Attempt number 2 with the camera actually recording this time. Will this little pucky thing fit in the hole? With a lot of persuasion. A little persuaderoo. Go on, in you get. So precision. Where's my alloy only brush? And you can tell because it says alu on it, which means I only use it for aluminium. Right, snuggle in. Let's do another one. Let's try and do another one. Again, I had a little bit of trash in it, but it'll hold. That's the main thing. So I will repeat this process for the other 6, and yeah, I'll maybe let you see it once it's finished, depending on how bad it looks. Oh, right, back to work. Tungsten grinding. It's what I spent most of my welding time doing. Because I'm not very good at not dipping the tip. Then it's time for a new rod. This one's getting a bit fucking hot. Hot, 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 hot. Excellent. Right, I'm calling it done. Also, I'm not going to try not to get too close, because I don't really want to see how bad my welds are. Ah, I'm only kidding, I don't give a fuck. Where did I start? I can't remember. No, I started in that one, but I ground it off and cleaned it up. I think that was my second weld, that one. That second, third. That one had a lot of shit in it. That one's a little bit shitty. That one wasn't too bad. And that was probably the best one. That was probably my best weld. But it's not a bridge. No one's life will depend on any of these welds. They just have to keep the boost in and the shite out. If you're doing this yourself and you don't have access to a TIG welder or cannot weld aluminium, like me, what you could do is make your same aluminium plugs, get them to the right size or a nice snug fit, and then use I don't know, like high temperature epoxy, like high temperature GB weld. Fill the hole in, put your thing in, hammer them all in so there's a nice snug fit, and let it set. Because, like I say, it's all these are all on the outside, so there's actually only a very small hole on the inside. I don't know if you can see inside. There's only a small hole. This is really quite warm. I shouldn't have picked it up. Put that back. Yeah, so I could say you can GB weld epoxy because they're not going to fall into the engine. They could only ever fall out the way, and well, you would lose boost and you would no problem. You would hear hissing. But anyway, that's that for done for today. Another random task. We can go and put this back in the Land Cruiser now and start reassembly. And any questions, comments, please leave them down below. And as always, thanks for watching.